Exercise 3.1. Question number 1. If the sides of the cubic box are increased by the 1, 2, 3 units respectively to form the rectangular cuboid, then the volume is increased by 52 cubic units. Find the volume of cuboid. Solution. Let x be the side of cube. Volume of the cuboid formula, apply it x square plus 52. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to x cube plus 52. So x cube, simplify it, x cube plus this is formula, x plus a plus x plus b plus x plus c. Formula I have to substitute it, x cube plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 into x square plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 into x plus 1 into 2 into 3, which is equal to x square plus 52. This is given this problem. So simplify the equation, you got it, x square plus 11x plus 6, which is equal to 52. Bring the 52 in this side and simplify it, you get the quadratic equation 6x square plus 11x minus 46, which is equal to 0. Using this synthetic division you have studied in 10th standard. So write the coefficients of the quadratic equation 6, 11 minus 46 root 2. You have to apply it, means you got the x minus 2 is one of the root, another one equation is root is 6x plus 23 is equal to 0. So x equal to 2, x which is equal to minus 23 by 2, but we know the side cannot be negative, so leave it. X which is equal to 2 is the required answer. So the required volume is x cube plus 52. Like how to substitute x which is equal to 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 52, which is equal to 60 is the answer. Question number 2. Construct the cubic equation with roots. 3 subdivisions are given. First subdivision is 1, 2 and 3. So S1, which is equal to sum of the root 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6. S2 means product of the root 2 root summation. 1 2 is 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3, which is equal to 11. Then product of the roots S3, which is equal to 1 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. We know that the cubic equation is x cube minus sum 1 S1 x square plus S2 x minus S3, which is equal to 0. This is the cubic equation formula. X cube minus S1 x square plus S2 x minus S3, which is equal to 0. Now S1 value is 6, S2 value is 11, S3 value is 6. Substitute means you got the cubic equation is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6, which is equal to 0.